Hello everyone. Hey, this is Mohammed Hassan. Uh, Hello to all my friends and followers for EcomGladiator. Many of you have asked about EcomGladiator and wanted to know about TAC4, Century Software Solutions and stuff. If I wanted to tell everything right now, I don't think I can finish it up in 1 week. So let me start out with a little background. So basically, I started Century Software Solution, Century Technologies. Our main product was TechPoint. Our website name was technicianmarketplace.com. I started that company before I even graduated from my bachelor. So we started in a very small scale. I had a co-founder. I was the founder and CEO, and we started with only 13 different cities. So long story short, I don't want to go to very detail, but it was pure B2B company. So we invented a system called TechPoint. It was more like a supply chain management system. So basically, the OEMs or manufacturer, they were able to maximize their profit. That means we cut down multiple tier levels and utilize the solution engineering methodology and different type of network field methodology. So we started with just only I think 4 different cities in Texas. Frisco, Plano was our first cities, and first customer was Fujitsu. As you know, Fujitsu Japan, but we started their projects in Texas. So long story short, it was very successful pilot projects. We started with 4 to 7 cities. They were very happy. Fujitsu were able to cut down the cost about 27% in a very initial level. So they gave us the opportunity to manage their, I think, about 33 different cities. And we had a lot of struggle, hurdle, as you understand. We were very initial young entrepreneurs before even graduating the college. So in the very first year, we were very successful. We had, I think, over 7,000 technicians in the first year, and our revenue went up over millions of dollars. Second year, we did about 900% gain. And the third year, we had 26,000 technicians all over United States, Puerto Rico, and Canada. And it's amazing, actually. In a very short period of time, we spike our marketing game in a very hockey stick way, I would say. So marketplace background, this is nothing new to me. I started from very scratch. So from 1 cities, we covered over 2,000 cities all over United States, Puerto Rico, and Canada. It was a great success story. But anyway, long story short, there was a lot of peer pressure and industry pressure, and we didn't know a lot of stuff what we were doing that time. And the main story is we put all of our eggs in a same basket. We had Dell, TechPoint, and IBM on third year, but I had to sell that company. But that was a quite great success story. Learned a lot of management process, marketing process, marketplace process, I would say. And supply chain management, I had my supply chain management patent. If you search my name, patent for Mohammed K. Hassan, you'll find it out in Google, United States Patent Court. They approved that patent. Still it's active, but as we sold that company in 2009, I had to give away that patent as well also. Later on, as we understand, as an entrepreneur, this is the best I can do. So basically, I was looking for the next opportunity, next big venture that I can be pioneer. So it wasn't easy, and so I had to go back to the corporate level, as I had my undergrad in business computer information system. I had a great financial background, so I worked with financial companies for a while, but I couldn't settle my mind. So then I was planning to build some other venture, which is we are still working on it. It's called TAC4. basically TruckForce is like, you can call it like Uber for trucking industry. We are using geofence technology and different type of solution engineering, algorithm, and data science to capitalize all the truck drivers' empty spaces and connect with any shipper who needs cheap shipping from coast to coast. It is basically for long distance, but we are planning to do it for short distance as well also. Now, a lot of you have asked me, what about EcomGladiator? Basically, EcomGladiator is my next venture. I wanted to utilize all my experience and exposure, how to build marketplace, how we can utilize the new trendy social media, digital technology, different type of data science, artificial intelligence. This type of technology I wanted to utilize. I wanted to help small to mid-sized companies to leverage these existing expertise and technologies that's already in the market. And I know that all those small and mid-sized service providing companies, they are hesitating with the big player like eBay, Amazon, and they think they're going to lose all their businesses and opportunities. So I thought, why don't I capitalize my experience and expertise and help those service companies to gain their exposure. So long story short, our goal is not to sell SEO or not to sell any kind of like digital packages. We wanted to get them the leads. Initially, we're going to generate the leads for them. Then the leads going to generate the opportunities, and opportunities going to create their customers. So it's going to work as a different type of sales funnel, I would say. And it is basically, I'm working on it for last 6 to 7 months. But basically, I'm providing the training all the young entrepreneurs for free, and I wanted to guide them actually how they can leverage all the existing experience in the market and basically help them out how they can become also an entrepreneur. Same time, they can help all the service providing companies so they can sustain in this I would say very massacre type of digital evolution market nowadays, especially for Amazon and eBay. They are trying to take over almost all kind of service businesses. And I understand they give a lot of benefits to the consumer. So we wanted to give that kind of benefit for service providers so they can gain their consumer trust and they can sustain in this revolutionary competitive market. So overall, this all for today, but I'm going to get back to the Facebook Live in the future as well also. This is my first Facebook Live video, so I'm sure it's maybe sucks, but whatever it is, the goal is actually help the young entrepreneurs and the service provider so they can capitalize my experience and exposure and basically go to the full force in their momentums and keep the momentums on time. Thank you, appreciate, and see you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.